up the headphones a little bit. Hey.
Clap the room, I'm coming through.
Yeah. So my dad has no idea, but we're about to challenge this man to a 5K. And if you haven't seen what it looks like inside of a sleeper, let me show you. This is actually my dad's truck, okay? Right there we have the twin mattress, TV, microwave, refrigerator right there, and closet. You know how to change up the hat? My dad has no idea what we're about to do. Do you? No. Of course. And you know, you better like and subscribe, baby. Ow! Yeah, let's get it. Guess what? We are running a 5K. Ow! It's literally 11 right now. We're supposed to be there, but since I gave my dad such a short notice and we're in downtown San Antonio trying to find parking, we're literally running to the event because it's about to start. Come on, Dad.
Get it.
We're about to start running the wrong way. So we're gonna cross our first crosswalk. Thank you. Bye. Ah, this is getting out of your comfort zone, Dad.
Hell yeah.
Are you having fun doing it, though?
Yeah.
That's all that's important.
So we're 5 minutes into it. I already had to stop, bro.
What do you have to tell the people that need to get out their comfort zone and do this? Because I don't think you would have ever done this on your own.
Just gotta do it, man. Just gotta
do it, baby.
Do it.
Ow! So we gotta run a little bit.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah. Life is beautiful, baby.
And then you'll actually turn around and come back through here and head back.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, so we went the wrong way again. We're making up for it.
What's up, peeps? We're about 26 minutes in. I'm about ready to pass out. You know, I don't get a lot of exercise, so I'm out of my comfort zone for sure. But all the drivers out there, you know, it's good to get out of your comfort zone. Got to make that best life now.
All right, Dad. After those inspiring words, are you able to run a couple more yards?
Yeah, let's get it.
Got it.
Oh,
let's go! Ow!
All right, guys. This is our first 5K. I strongly recommend that you download the app. Put it on your phone before you start, because we done got lost twice.
We wouldn't have got to this point if we would have got the app, so if it's your first time ever doing it, get the app, baby.
Because we done turned a 5K into like an 8K, man. Come on now. Killing ourselves.
Boy, Dad, I saw you got a cup of water now. How you feeling?
I feel like $1 million, bro.
Oh, let them know.
Jump on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell that for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I needed from Shorty. She mean with the top, and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging.
My dad's putting in the work, baby.
I'm sweating, man. I'm sweating. I'm
sweating.
What the hell?
What have we done, Dad? About 2.2 miles?
2.59. 2.59.
2.59. The thing is about the 5K is that I always thought it was 5 miles, not 5 kilometers. So technically we have less than a mile left. And then we're done with this baby. Are we gonna make it? Come on, Dad. Pick it up, pick it up. Finish strong. Finish strong. Guys, the whole time we went a mile off track or off the course. And it feels so good.
Be back, baby.
Yeah. Yes, sir. First day. Good stuff, Dad. So how do you feel, though? That's the main question after finishing
Give me about
5K.
Give me about 10 minutes, baby.
That legs tighten up?
No, not yet, but they burn it, bro.
To the well-deserved beer. If you made it this far, guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, baby.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the